We are pleased to show you the 2022 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated front seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.